Hello, welcome to Being Beta, where today I'm going to be taking you through an unboxing and review of the Grand Store by Keter. So I've just got all the kit out of the box. This isn't all of the kit, there's a selection just here to show you like the plastic parts. We've got some metal parts as well, and then there's a box full of all the screws and instructions and so on. But been really impressed so far with the quality of the plastic itself and the metal parts, and the instructions seem really straightforward to use as well. So in terms of space, really happy with this. Basically we've got a little bit of equipment in the back. We've got 3 of the kids' scooters in there. We've got 3 children's bikes, one of which is quite an older kid's bike, and then this adult bike at the front. So definitely, yeah, plenty of space in there. Accessibility wise, really handy, just popping the lid open. These side doors swinging out to the side mean it's going to be nice and easy to get kit in and out of there. So yeah, really happy with the space and accessibility. So in terms of build quality, yeah, really happy with this. It is quite expensive, like I said at the start of the video. It's £280, but again, it's one of those, I've had cheaper ones in the past that have then split, particularly in the base, or the lid has warped over time. It's been really frustrating. So I thought, you know, if you buy cheap, you buy twice, whereas in this case we want to spend out a bit more and know that we've got something that's going to last. So the build quality is really good. The metal that's been used, the plastic's super solid on this as well, and it's really sturdy. So usually I'd leave my review video, I'd have the item for a week or 2 or a month, whatever it is, but we've had all weathers today. We've had wind and rain and all sorts, so actually in one day it's been put through its paces already, and again we've been really happy. So happy with the build quality and the sturdiness. In terms of the assembly, it was relatively straightforward. It said it would take 90 minutes on the instructions. I'd probably give it a good couple of hours, and that's with 2 of you as well. It was straightforward to do, it was just a little time consuming, but the instructions were really clear. There was 1 spare screw for each set of screws. All the stuff was there, and the assembly itself was relatively straightforward, just fairly time consuming. And in terms of ongoing product support, alongside the instructions, there was a little leaflet saying if there was anything missing at all to get in touch with Keter Direct, which I thought was really nice, rather than having to go back through the retail or return the whole item. Being able to get in touch with Keter Direct and request any pieces that were missing or broken, it's just a nice touch to be able to make the product nice and easy to set up if you're missing any pieces. So overall, definitely really happy. It's one of those, it was a little bit expensive, but it's definitely value for money in my opinion. And if you want something that's spacious, sturdy and easy to secure, then I'd definitely recommend getting hold of this product. If you want to see the assembly process itself, that's on one of my other playlists, which is Outdoor DIY, so please go and check that out. And thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to help other beaters out there too. Take care.